Hello, friends. So, in the previous section, we have seen that we have configured the Spring application name with the Cloud Config server, and we have also have the port number. So, with this, we will have the application properties also there. So, firstly, we will create a directory. So we take again this folder, and here we just open the git bash, and we here we just have mkdir, and we just write cloud config repo. So this will be our repository. So cd cloud config repo, and then we just initialize it, jet init, and after doing this, we just select our project, and here, and we go to our build path, and after going to the build path, we add this folder uh, by link source, and here we have the cloud jet repo. We select it, and next, and we finish it up and apply it, and here all things are done with respect to this. So here now this has come cloud config repo. So we just make some of the files there quickly. So we just have this service limit, service limit dot properties, and we just copy it so that it will be fast enough. So now yeah, we just have again just well, couple of files. So here we will make uh, dev, uh, and here we can have the prod. So we will have the particularly others, and in the file we will get it with respect to the QA. So we will have the QA because uh, now QA tab, and this file has been named where uh, we will have the limit section. So here in here, if we look at in our limit section, we have already done that. So we just open this, and we just open it, and we just go directly to the limit section, and here we just have the this resources. So we just take one out where we have this couple of resources. So we just mm, have this limit, and we place it with the tab. We can place it 9, and here we can have this, and similarly with this we can have this and the QA, and here we can have um, 6, and can have 6 like this, and all the things are done now. Well, so uh, it's good to have this. So service limit is there, and application properties, and so it's currently we can have this particularly this repo, and we will just have this application dot in the application dot properties we will have this. And right now this is a dummy creation, so we just had this, and after getting that we will just try to close this. And so we have the Spring Cloud config server, and we have the jet file name. So we can place this jet here. So previously, before placing this jet here, we will have we will add this with the jet add minus a, and now we will add we will have the jet commit minus m properties, and yeah, so it has been committed. So three files are just committed, and we can have source. We can add the source of the username and password also. So if we see that with respect to, if you use jet config here, so you can have this. So uh, jet config um, global, and you can give user dot name, and you can mention it like that. So this will be done. And similarly, jet config global, and this email. So user dot email, and you give it your email. So that will be done. So it's been added. So all things are done. So now with respect to command, you can have this file. So directly going to GitRapo and taking this. So after taking this, you can place your file up to this. So here you can change this, and you can just change this also, and you can have the cloud config repo, and here you can save it. So all things are ready. So so if you see that we just have this uh, running this. So we have not enabled the we have not enabled the config here. So we will enable the config. So basically, so we will go to the config file, and we will enable it, so that we can stack trace the things there. So so we will just enable it by doing that. So mm, so that's config server. Now we can start it, and we just start it like this. Mm, it has been started and executed well. So now we can just open it, and we will say as HTTP and localhost 888, and we have service limit default. So here the thing is coming with respect to service limit, and whatever the port we are given for the limit service, for the maximum and for the minimum is coming. And in the similarly, if we want to see that HTTP localhost 888, and here we just give the QA, so we will get the QA codes. And similarly, if we want to have the dev, so we will get the dev codes. So that's how we have got the tab codes, we have got the QA codes, and we have got the default codes. So this is for this session. In the next session, we will add other couple of services, microservices, and now this cloud config server will be managing all those things. So now we have initiated the things that with respect to Thus, we have come to the cloud config server with limit server. Now we will be making banking system and the payment system and authentication system, which will be handled by the Spring Cloud config server. Okay, thank you for this session. Keep continuing with this session. Kindly like and subscribe my channel too.